Hello everyone and welcome back to another short and comprehensive tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can work on a drop-down selection interaction. And what do I mean by that? I'll just quickly play this demo. So when I clicked the arrow, I got all these options, which are again interactive with the mouse. And all the options are working, right? So how do we achieve that without any delay? I'll show you. So I have made my desired design. First things first, we grab the text tool and just write in our text because we want to make our first interaction. That's why for now I'm just putting it as option. Making sure it's as per your desired size and letter, the typography, right? Okay, that's done. And first things first, we make this into an auto layout, making sure it's left aligned. And make sure to keep naming, right? We duplicate this and we just play with its visuals. I'll just go ahead and make everything as per the brand colors that I have at hand. You can pretty much work as per your choices, right? Okay, that's sorted. And then maybe I just make the fill a little more dark, right? Okay. And then we select these and create a component set and make our first interaction. So this one would be mouse enter, and smart animate, it could be as per your choices. I've just taken linear, and this one would be going back as mouse leave. Okay, that is done. Make sure to name everything. It only helps to keep your files organized. Now the actual design, we go ahead and put in the details, making sure it's aligned with your brand colors. Yeah, that's how I want for now. And go ahead and add the auto layout. Again, it should be left aligned because it was centrally automatically, right? That is done. And we fix the desired width and height, right? We fill it as per choice, of course. I mean, for now, I'm just using what I have for my design, right? Okay, maybe I use the dark one. Okay, that's all per your requirements. Okay, this is just a demo, so yeah. And we name it. Oops, sorry. And I will just go ahead and drop all these icons to make it more visually pleasing and appeasing, whatever you may call. Okay, that is done for now, and we go ahead and drop the instance of this, right? Because we still need to work with our options and the interactions, and I'll just go ahead and duplicate again. This number of duplication depends on how much and how many options you have, like the feature requires. For now it's the demo, so I'm just using 3, and I select everything and put it in a frame, and I just fill its colors again, right? And going ahead and changing its text. It's all as per your choices and requirements. Always remember that, okay? Okay, that is fixed, and we go ahead and make them in a container. Because why? I'll show you why and what. And make sure this is on top. and making sure it's clipped and the spacing as per your need. And we go ahead and duplicate it, right? Make sure to now put in your details. Right, that's done, and select both and make it as a component set. We go ahead and duplicate it a few more times because we need that for interactions. Okay, that is sorted. And now what we do with the first one, selecting the first, and we push them behind, right? Because it'll be clearer once I connect every variable, right? And then next would be English. Sorry, haha. Yeah. Okay, and this one would be German. This one would be Italian. And we repeat the process, right? Making sure that these are pushed behind because we don't want them visible in our prototypes. That's why we needed them in a container, and by clipping the content, it gets easy to dissect all these elements and use it as per the need. Right, that's that, and the last one. Okay, and to make it more interesting, you can also maybe flip this. It's by your choices and needs. Again, I'm just showing what are possible. We can just change the angle from here, right? That's done, and then we start connecting everything for our demo. So it'll be on click, and you can select whatever trigger you want. I'm just using gentle. And again, we select English because that has to go with this one. German goes with this one. Italian goes with this one. And making sure they're all connected back, because if the user wants to again go back and change, then that is possible, right? Okay, now let's see. Again, we select that and drop the instance. And now we see, did it work? Yes, it did work. You see, when mouse is entering, it's selecting. And then when you select everything, it goes as per your features and additions. So that's how you work with the drop-down. And feel free to explore and experiment. Thank you for watching.